Good morning, e-learners. This is Mr. Frates here. You're either in physical science or in biology, but we're using the same video for both classes. So today we're going to be working on this sheet that's posted on your Google Classroom, and it's called the Quest Experience. The Quest Experience aligns with the scientific method, and it's a way for you to learn how to use the scientific method instead of just read about it. We'll actually use it, and we'll start filling out some of the questions here to help us understand how scientists use the scientific method and think logically every single day, even when they're solving daily problems like you might have, getting a flat tire or air conditioning breaking down or your dog has a hurt leg, something like that. All of those things you can use the scientific method to solve. So Quest is an association just like we did with our name game. The Q stands for, as you can see, question and observe. And U stands for uncover a comparative question. E stands for explore predictions. All right, and S stands for start an action plan. And then T, just gotta go to the back page for this, stands for think hard about your findings and share your discoveries. So basically it's everything that you do in the scientific method. So today we're going to work on part one, just part one. And I'm going to give you something that you may have never seen before, and I want you to just take a few minutes and observe it. When you observe something, that means you use all of your senses. So sight, sound, taste, which you shouldn't taste anything in a science lab, smell, feel. So our guest today is this guy that's, you're probably like looking at that like, what is that? So I'm going to adjust my camera, and this is our guest that you guys are going to be observing today for our Quest program. So I'm going to put it on this side view first. I'm going to kind of let our skull friend have center stage here. And then I got to scoot it this way. There we go. And so this is a skull. You can take a look at it. Here's the side view. All right. It's the top of its head. This is the bottom of its head. All right. Here's the front view. Let me see if I can adjust the camera just a little bit more. Oh, I need it to point down even more. There we go. All right. There's the front view. I'm going to lift it up a little bit. Here's the top of his head. The bottom of its head. This is where some teeth were before. And I'm going to give you the view from the other side. All right, so this right here is the eye socket, and over here is your jaw. All right, and then all these teeth. And look at this opening here. This is really interesting. And then here is the back of the skull. That's what you can see from the back view. Okay, so let me kind of put it on the side view so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. So this is what we're going to be looking at today when you guys are completing your Quest worksheet. All right, so let me grab the worksheet. Let you guys see that. So we're doing part one, question and observe. And it says the first step is to observe closely and see what questions come to mind. Write 3 questions you have about what you're observing. So as you look at this video and you take a look at the skull, come up with 3 questions. See if I can get myself in the shot now. Ah, it's kind of crazy, right? Oh no, I'm too tall. Actually, let me put my seat down and then you guys can see me too. Maybe. Oh, it doesn't go any lower. Okay. So 3 questions you have about this skull, and there's no such thing as a dumb question. You can write any 3 questions that you want and write those on or type them into your Google Doc. And after you write those 3 questions, we'll do another video to help you figure out what you do on the next step. All right, have a great day. Always wonderful to have you guys being active in class. Make sure you chat and ask questions during our Zoom class. I will try to also put this on video live for a small amount of time during your class period today too. All right, have a great day. Cheers, everybody. Enjoy the full moon. It was a beautiful night last night. All right, be careful out there.